Hi healthy food lovers, my name is Kate and I do love delicious and healthy food. As you already know, a strong immune system is key to fighting off disease-causing microorganisms. Scientists all over the world are exploring the effects of diet, exercise, stress, and age on the immune response. In the meantime, however, general healthy living strategies make a lot of sense since they're proven to benefit the immune function. Today, we will focus on the diet part and introduce 5 immune-boosting powders which, with minimal effort, will fill your body with essential nutrients. Number 1. Turmeric powder, a spice that's super rich in iron, a mineral responsible for making hemoglobin. Besides, the super powder is full of calcium, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus. You can easily add it to smoothies, juices, lattes, soups, curries, stews, baked goodies, and even mac and cheese. Number 2. Ginger root powder. A famous fact about ginger is that it has a strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory antioxidant effects. Its properties also include potassium, iron, and selenium. Add this magical powder to tea, smoothies, lemonade, cookies, baked goodies, dressings, dips, and more. It mixes well with both sweet and savory ingredients. Number 3. Garlic powder, an immunity-boosting superstar. It contains 100 sulfuric compounds powerful enough to wipe out bacteria and infection. Moreover, it contains selenium, magnesium, phosphorus, and folate. With garlic powder, it is easy to create garlic oil, garlic butter, a variety of marinades, stews, and more. Number 4. Broccoli powder, the ultimate immune-boosting powerhouse. I know I said that already. Powdered broccoli contains huge amounts of vitamins A and C. It is also rich in plant protein and dietary fiber. Add the super powder to smoothies, juices, omelets, pasta, soups, casseroles, dressings, pesto, and hummus. And finally, I saved the best for last. Number 5. Black elderberry powder, often used to make homemade elderberry syrup for holistic immune support. It's rich in essential nutrients like vitamins A, C, and zinc. Its slightly tart flavor perfectly complements other sweet ingredients added to smoothies, juices, DIY syrups, tonics, and chia puddings. Serve it hot in mixture with herbal tea or create delicious sweet dessert glaze. That's it for today, food lovers. Stay healthy and I'll see you next time.